Yes, go ahead.
Hello.
Hello.
Sorry, I was not there on the sessions whole last week and I couldn't attend anything.
No
But
problem.
I had so many results in the meanwhile. But I'm telling you only four because I forgot to write them. As usual, I had to write, but I forgot it.
No
So
problem.
I told you about this, na, that I had that anxiety and you told me to use that eraser technique for it. So I did it and it was amazing. It is amazing. On Saturday, we were having an exhibition at in Chandigarh somewhere. So everything from our campus, all the students displayed their best results, and there she applauded me in front of whole of the people. That
Wow.
and that was so amazing. I didn't know what to say.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. And second one, and very, very, very important was that my mother had got her ankle fractured, and she was having plaster. So she went to the doctor 3 4 days back, and the doctor said that this is amazing what you are doing right now. Continue doing it, whatever you are doing. And her plaster was taken off, and we were not at all expecting that. In a month, her plaster has been
फ्रैक्चर
taken off.
हुआ था ना, फ्रैक्चर हुआ था.
फ्रैक्चर हुआ था. फ्रैक्चर
हाँ.
में उनको स्टिचेस थे. शी वाज ऑपरेटेड. तो शी हैड द स्टिचेस एंड उनको प्लास्टर लगा हुआ था. तो डॉक्टर ने कहा कि यू हैव रिकवर्ड सो वेल, आई हैड नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड इट, एंड आई एम रिमूविंग द प्लास्टर, एंड आपको 10 12 दिन में आप चलने लग जाओगे अपने आप से. तो बस डू योर एक्सरसाइज एंड डू वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग राइट नाउ.
इनिशियली डॉक्टर ने कितने दिन का बोला था प्लास्टर?
डॉक्टर ने इनिशियली बोला था कि अभी पहले मैं स्टिचेस देखूंगा, उसके बाद में मैं बात करूंगा. बट
ओके,
ही वाज
ओके.
सेइंग कि स्टिचेस को अभी टाइम लग जाएगा 2 3 दिन का, और हर बोन इज ऑलरेडी जॉइंट एंड इट इज सो गुड दिस टाइम. आई डोंट नो व्हाट शी हैज डन दिस टाइम.
Congratulations.
My mother was actually doing this Ho'oponopono, and I did my ancestors Ho'oponopono, keeping my mother's illness in mind. So I
Wow.
think that they have helped so much, and I showed my gratitude to them also, and you too. Thank you so much to everyone. Everyone,
Thank
thank you
you.
so much from my
Thank
heart.
you. Thank you. Okay. So, shall we move ahead? Okay. So, thank you, everyone. Give her lots of love, blessings, and congratulations.